This unit is circular trig. The topic is area of a sector and arc length. You can find this in the IBSL textbook on page 193 to 195. The first piece is taken from the textbook. They use a little bit different notation for arc length. They use the letter L, where in a pre-calculus textbook would use the letter S for arc length. So be comfortable with both of those notations. So we have a central angle theta, and we want to find out what is the distance around this curve, which we call the arc length, L. You can also refer to it as S. There are two formulas. One is when you have radian measure to find the arc length. You take the central angle theta and multiply it times the radius. If you have it in degrees, then if you refer to this theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So go ahead and pause if you need to write down the blue box and the formulas. Here's an example of the what a 1 radian looks like. It's about 57 degrees. It has a radius, has that arc length, and then those formulas. Let's go on to just a couple practice problems here. We have a central angle of 80 degrees, and we have a radius of 6, and we want to find how long that curve is. That is our arc length. So we're going to choose the appropriate formula. In this case, the angle measure is in degrees. So arc length equals theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So our central angle was 80 degrees divided by 360 times 2 pi, and then the radius is 6. Then with your calculator, 80 divided by 360, multiply it by 2 pi, and times 6. And it is 8.37 units. Now, if there were something like centimeters given, then the units would be 8.37 centimeters. The second example here has a radius of 6, but now our central angle is in radian measure, and the angle is pi over 2. So here's pi over 2 up here. Remember the unit circle. There is our theta, and we want to find the distance from here to there, or S. So now we will use the top formula, L equals theta times r. Our theta, our central angle is pi over 2, and our radius is 6. So 6 pi divided by 2, 6 pi divided by 2 is approximately 9.42 units.